Good day, crypto trader. Why Dogecoin enters 50% bull rally despite founder's remarks on Elon Musk. Dogecoin price shows a massive squeeze in volatility, foreshadowing an explosive move. A bullish outlook will see Doge rally 45% and retest the $0.129 hurdle. On the other hand, a 4-hour candlestick close below $0.062 will invalidate the bullish thesis. Dogecoin price has been coiling up like a spring for roughly 10 days, indicating that a massive move is about to occur. The congestion will likely lead to a bullish move for Doge that is brimming with volatility. Adding a tailwind of sorts to the volatile move for Doge are recent remarks from the Dogecoin founder Jackson Palmer. Palmer claims to had not made a single buck from his creation. The co-founder expressed the view that he has disliked the crypto space for a while in a recent H3H3 podcast. This is not the first time Palmer has done this. Additionally, Shivetoshi Nakamoto, the other co-founder of Dogecoin, stated, "I would say Jackson and I share quite a few perspectives. The big difference is he thinks the space is dumb and full of scams and doesn't participate, and I think the space is dumb and full of scams and still participate cause as far as I can tell everything else is just as dumb." Additionally, Palmer also tweeted on May 14, stating that Tesla CEO Elon Musk is and always will be a self-absorbed grifter. Dogecoin price to move higher. Dogecoin price crashed 50% over the last 2 weeks to set a swing low at $0.065. This massive downswing was a result of the UST Luna debacle, which caused the entire crypto market to tank. Regardless, Doge seems to be making a comeback as it rallied 45% from $0.065 to $0.095, flipping the $0.087 resistance level into a support barrier on May 13. Since then, the volatility seems to be drying up for the meme coin, leading to a steady decline below the said barrier. A quick recovery combined with a resurgence of volatility will be the key ingredient in a successful run-up. This move would open the path for Doge to retest the intermediate barrier at $0.107. From the current position at $0.085, this move would constitute a 19% ascent. However, if buyers take control and convert the said barrier into a support floor, the rally could extend to the $0.125 target. In total, this ascent would represent a 45% gain and is likely where a local top will form. While things look edgy for Dogecoin price in terms of volatility, a recovery above $0.087 is a necessity for a rally's revival. If Bitcoin price takes a U-turn and starts crashing, Doge will promptly follow. In this situation, if Dogecoin price produces a 4-hour candlestick close below $0.062 will invalidate the bullish thesis. This development will open the path for bears to further crash Doge to the immediate support level at $0.046. Cardano whales enter buying spree before the Vasil hard fork. Cardano price is likely to sweep the range low at $0.487 before establishing its directional bias. A bounce off the range low could trigger a 40% ascent to $0.677 if ADA bulls can overcome the range's midpoint at $0.551. A 4-hour candlestick close below $0.471 will invalidate the bullish thesis. Cardano price is showing an interesting setup as it struggles to make a move above a crucial support level. A rejection here could lead to a buying opportunity for patient investors before ADA explodes. Moreover, the upcoming Vasil hard fork set to debut in June, is an upgrade which will boost the smart contract capabilities of Cardano and Plutus, a smart contract platform built on ADA. Cardano price to take a hike. Cardano price is facing immense selling pressure combined with a lack of volatility as it approaches the $0.487 to $0.614 range's midpoint at $0.551. Rejection at this barrier could lead to a sweep of the range low at $0.487. Assuming this minor downtrend occurs, it will signal a market manipulation from smart money investors. This move will most likely be followed by a quick reversal toward the range high at $0.614. This run-up would amount to 25% gain and is a place where local top could form. However, if buyers continue to chime in, the rally could extend to $0.677, bringing the total gain to 40%. Supporting this bullish case for ADA is the supply distribution, indicated by the accumulation seen by whales holding between 100,000 to 1 million tokens. This category of holders increased their count from 20,562 to 20,637, representing a 0.33% spike. Considering how Bitcoin price is ready to make a move, Cardano price could benefit if the big crypto favors a bullish directional bias. In such a case, patient and sidelined investors have a good opportunity to accumulate ADA at a discount. This slow inflation of the number of wallets holding ADA represents accumulation of ADA from institutional investors and falls in line with the technical outcome. Regardless of the bullish optimism Cardano price exhibits, if sellers tank Bitcoin in the short term, there is a good chance ADA will follow. In such a case, if Cardano price produces a 4-hour candlestick close below $0.471, it will invalidate the bullish thesis by producing a lower low. This move will open the path for sellers to crash ADA by 15% to $0.397. How to prepare for a bullish week ahead of Axie Infinity price. Axie Infinity price sees a big window of opportunity to rally sharply. AXS price sees several tail risks deflating, with positive headlines over the weekend. Expect to see a possible break above $31 later this week if this mood continues. Axie Infinity, AXS, price is set to jump 20% intraday as traders push price to a new high for the past trading week. The green print comes after several tail risks eased following positive headlines over the weekend, and on Monday morning out of Asia. Not only is the US looking to ease tariffs with China, but Putin even mentioned the time is right to sit at the table with Ukraine, which is triggering a broad risk-on rally and causing safe havens like the dollar to bleed. This in turn is creating a double incentive for buyers to consider ramping up price action even further later this week. AXS price set to rally for a straight week. Axie Infinity is riding the wave from positive headlines, with more than one coming out all at the same time. Grabbing the top spot is news of a possible easing of tariffs between the US and China, followed by Putin making overtures to Ukraine to join him in talks about a possible peace deal. All these elements further deflated the big broad tail risk that kept markets and price action muted to the upside. AXS price is thus set for a big bang higher as price is set to balloon with at least 20% intraday on the radar towards $26.11. A daily close above that would be perfect for another leg higher towards $30.93, a key line in the sand from July 26, 2021. If the rally is so strong that bulls can close above there, expect to see a stretch towards $40, testing the 55-day simple moving average for a break higher. Risk to the downside could come from cold water being poured on sentiment, potentially from just one negative headline blowing the current rally into the water. If Russia suddenly retracts its statement on not wanting to engage in peace talks, it would trigger a sharp drop back towards low levels from 2 weeks ago. Expect the AXS price to drop back to $19.59 and possibly break towards $16 on the back foot. SafeMoon is about to enter its biggest bullish rally ever. SafeMoon price is set to rally back to at least $0.00150000, the high of April. SafeMoon breaks its downtrend and turns higher. Expect more investor inflow, underpinning the price action and seeing more pops. SafeMoon, price is back amongst the living after being in the dark for so long. Since the launch of the second version around December last year, its price action has been in a straight downward line, which since last week is coming to an end. With the break above the red descending trend line and the break above the 9-day simple moving average, a clear signal has been delivered to the markets and will work like a magnet to attract more investors and see price action appreciating towards $0.00150000, or 130% of gains. SafeMoon bulls are on their way to booking 130% gains during a hot summer. SafeMoon price is on the cusp of booking its most robust rally ever after two major bearish elements have been taken out. Add to that the fact that more tail risks are getting deflated in global markets and therefore weighing less on price action, and it looks as if SafeMoon price will get unchained and develop more free room to balloon higher as the dollar itself fades for the third day in a row. SafeMoon price is set to rally substantially as more investors find a way into SafeMoon price action, and the upside potential is immense. It is worth keeping an eye on $0.0008000000, with its 50% Fibonacci level as a critical line in the sand for whether SafeMoon price can rally up towards that previously mentioned $0.0015000000. A second level where some profit taking will occur is at $0.00989810 or the 38.2% Fibonacci level, forming a double barrier with the psychological $0.0010000000. With still a lot of room to go, the 50% Fibonacci level might be a bit too far off, seeing the relative strength index, RSI, has overheated a bit and is already too close to being overbought to sustain a continuous rally towards $0.0015000000. An overshoot could see bulls taking their profit and not returning, triggering SafeMoon price to drop below $0.00061184, the 55-day SMA. This way, a downward path might get reopened again towards $0.00034275 as interest wanes.